And he's like, hey, yo, I seen you on YouTube. And I'm like, what? I'm like, you watched me on YouTube? Hey, welcome to GT Canada. Today I want to talk about being YouTube famous. And I know what you're thinking right off the bat, Anton, you are not YouTube famous. Your channel is so small, there's no way that you know anything about YouTube fame. Well, no, I'm not, Mr. Beast or whatever, and I don't have 40 million subscribers, but I do know something about being YouTube famous. So I was sitting in my studio editing my videos together and making sure the timing's all right and cut together just right. So I'm kind of scrubbing through the video, looking at some of the key points that I want to just double check are good. And as I'm sitting there listening to the video, I'm chuckling to myself at how ridiculous this certain part of this video is, and just laughing at how ridiculous I am and how ridiculous this part in the video is, and wondering, I wonder if the people that watch these videos pick up on the fact that this is ridiculous and I know it and are laughing along with me, or if they think that I don't know that I'm ridiculous and are, sitting there laughing at me instead, which is fine too if that's what you want to do. But from the other room, my wife hollers out and tells me, "You are so ridiculous." And then I start laughing more and say, yeah, that is really ridiculous. She's like, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to be associated with you. You should stop using your real name online so that nobody connects the dots and realizes that I'm married to such a ridiculous human being. And my wife she means well, and she's not that mean. I think that it's all in fun and jest, but I think she really is embarrassed at how ridiculous I am sometimes, maybe most of the times. I proceeded to tell her about how it's no big deal. It's a small channel, not that many people watch it anyway, and even the people that do, probably none of them live around here, and we probably won't run into anybody, so it's not a big deal. But I did kind of take her advice and say, it's probably a good idea to not be using my real name on my social media accounts and that sort of thing. These days, you never know who's checking what you're posting and reposting it to other places without you knowing about it, and slandering your name, taking stuff out of context. Who knows, right? I changed my name on my social media profile, and my wife kind of said, okay, fine, maybe it's not a big deal, whatever. We moved on. Well, at the time, I was also selling my Chevy Suburban. So I had it for sale on Facebook Market, which means I have my alter ego, we'll call it, for the profile. So the person wouldn't know my real name, and this guy's coming to look at my Suburban for sale. While I'm showing him the Suburban and kind of looking around, I don't sell it under my fake name, I sell it under my real name. And so while I'm kind of going through everything, the guy stops and says, wait a minute, Anton? You're Anton? And I'm like, yeah? And he says, you bought that car for like $500 and drove it to Kelowna. And I'm like, yeah? And he's like, yeah, I watched it on YouTube. And I'm like, what? I'm like, you did? And he's like, yeah, me and my kids watched it. We thought it was great. I'm like, whoa. So in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, holy crap. I just totally lied to my wife about how anonymous I am. Turns out this guy's here buying my Suburban that has watched the video and is putting two and two together that I am the same Anton that he watched in the thing. Because now, it's dark out. So it was winter, so couldn't see that well. But then all of a sudden, he's getting all these flashbacks right to say, oh, holy crap, this is the same guy. So I chalked that up to just a coincidence, just a whatever, right? 4 days later, and I'm not making this up. I know you think I'm making this up, or you want to think I'm making this up, but 4 days later, I'm in my basement, I'm playing video games. If you've watched the video for our LAN party setup, it's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna put the link in the description. I'll put the little card up over here so you can see what that is. So my brother-in-law is in my basement with me playing video games online. We were playing Call of Duty. It was me and him, and we teamed up with 2 other random dudes. On my profile on my PlayStation, I have my name is GT Canada, of course, why wouldn't it be? So I'm playing with this dude, and we're dropping into the zone. We're playing Blackout. As we're flying in, you know, I kind of shout out to the guys that are playing with us, hey guys, you know, we're gonna be playing, let's have some fun and win this, right? And one of the dudes goes, hey, GT Canada. I'm like, yeah, what's up? And he's like, hey, yo, I seen you on YouTube. And I'm like, what? I'm like, you watched me on YouTube? He's like, yeah, I don't even know what I was doing. A couple days ago, I saw your YouTube video. I'm like, oh, sweet. And my brother-in-law, he's sitting there, he's like, I can't believe this. You know, you got this dumb YouTube channel. All these people just randomly are recognizing you. It was kind of neat to connect with somebody that knew you from online and put that together. So yes, I do know a little bit about YouTube fame. I'm not, you know, Mr. Beast level famous. I don't have 40 million subscribers, but I'd like to. So if you haven't subscribed, click the link below, subscribe, hit the bell. I got lots of sweet videos coming up, lots of fun stories. You know something, it's winter in Canada now, so we'll keep you warm with the stories. Don't go outside and freeze. Stay inside, watch some YouTube videos. I hope you liked this video, just a quick one, just to kind of tell you about a fun event that happened to me in my life. Check out the other videos over here. We've got lots of great ones kind of in the queue. We've got more coming out. We got lots. We film all summer and then edit all winter and throw those up online. So we got a lot kind of in the backlog ready to go. So check them all out. Tell your friends about us too. Till next time, we'll see you later.